Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 11, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to be using settings as an example. And once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. Just simple click, and it will bring up this little screenshot right here. I show you what you have captured with two options, so send and scroll. Scroll meaning you can elongate the screenshot, meaning if I tap on it, as you can see, it will start scrolling. I can also grab it here, which is a really nice feature, and scroll it down myself as however down I want to. Now, depending on how far you will scroll, this will basically make that entire screenshot. Even though you can't see what's on top anymore, it's capturing everything from the point you started, the highest point you started, to however far down you scrolled down to. From there, click on done. It's going to process it, and there you go. As you can see, there is the entire screenshot, basically the entire settings page. And if you want to, you can crop it a little bit, tap on save, and voila, that's basically the screenshot. So that is one way to capture it. Another one was, as you can see, a 3-finger scroll or screenshot, which is just place 2 fingers on the screen and pull down like this, and voila, there is the screenshot. And once you have captured the screenshots, you can find them in your photo gallery. So once I actually find my photos, oh, there we go, gallery. I can go into the albums. As you can see right now in the photos, it doesn't show anything. That's because screenshots aren't considered as a normal photo. It's more of a screenshot, so it goes into a specific folder. And there we go. As you can see, there is the 3 different ones that I have captured. So that being said, that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.